everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Diwali 2020. In today's video, I'm gonna get ready with you for Navami. So this is more of a cocktail party look and it would look beautiful on Navami night. So you can always pull this off at the morning just by switching the eye makeup. And that's it. If you're interested, then let's get started. Also, before starting with the video, I would really appreciate if you take your time and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get notified every time I come out with a new video. And with that, let's get started with today's video. I will be starting off by applying this foundation from Maybelline. It is a 24 hours full coverage foundation. So this is an extremely matte foundation and it gives medium to full coverage. So I applied a little bit of the foundation and then I will be blending it using a brush. So previously I loved using a sponge, but now I am enjoying using a brush as it is much quicker. As you can see, I have a little bit of marks that is peeping through, so I will be using the same foundation in a dotted motion, and after that I would directly move on with the concealer, and for that I would be using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25. After I blend the concealer, I would move on to blending the foundation that I've applied in a dotted motion. So I took the time so that the foundation sit on my skin and it gives me maximum coverage. To cream contour my face, I would be using this liquid matte lipstick from LA Color in the shade Smashing. So this is a perfect cool tone brown shade which you can easily apply as a cream contour. So I applied it on the hollows of my cheek, my jawline and also my nose, and then I would be quickly blending it using a brush. Just make sure that you are blending the lipstick instantly and don't let it sit on the face, otherwise you would face so much difficulty in blending the lipstick. Then I would be using the same concealer and apply it on top of my nose bridge so that it gives me a highlight effect. To set all of the concealer, I would be using the MINISO Mini Poni Loose Powder in the shade 02 and just set all of the makeup using a very fluffy brush. Now to set the cream contour, I would be using the C.A.L Los Angeles Contour Veil, and if you want you can easily skip this part, but I want to bronze my face a little more. Moving directly to the eyes, I would be priming with the same concealer and then blending it out, and then I would be moving on with the burgundy shade from the MyGlam Manish Malhotra palette. So you guys may know how much I love this palette. The pigmentation is insane. This palette does have limited shades, but it is perfect for festive season. To do the brows, I would be using the MINISO eyebrow pencil in the shade Soft Brown. Then I would be taking this stunning burgundy shade from the Shryoan Blossom palette and deepen the outer crease and also my lower lash line. Using a fluffy blending brush, I will be blending the edges without any eyeshadow in it. Then I would be using the Kryolan SupraColor in the shade Black and put it on top of the hollow section of the eyes for the black shadow to put on top of this. Using a fluffy blending brush, I would be blending the SupraColor to give a smoky eye effect. To set the black shade, I would be using the black from the Makeup Revolution Tammi X palette and then blend it with the burgundy shade very seamlessly. You can see how my eyes look so pigmented as I have applied the SupraColor, and then I would be applying the same color in my waterline and blend it with the burgundy shade. Using the Maybelline Colossal Mascara, I would be coating my lashes very nicely. I would use the same burgundy shade as my blush, and for my highlighter I would be using this Shryoan highlighter palette in the golden shade and apply it on top of my blush, and it looks that I am glowing from within. For today's look, I would be using this lip combo, that is the In Color lip liner in the shade Soft Brown and Lakme Absolute Matte Melt liquid lipstick in the shade Natural Nude. And this is the final look, you guys. This is kind of an editorial look, and I wanted to show how an editorial look looks good with traditional sari. And for the outfit I chose this stunning black solid sari with a black crop top, and for the hair I just made a messy bun and pulled couple of hairs from the front section of my head. And moving on to the star item of the entire look, that is this earrings. This is this gorgeous earring, and it is actually a replica of the Anushka Sharma earring that I wanted to get for such a long time, and I got it from a local seller. So if you want to get the same pair, you can contact her. I will give her contact details in the description box below, so you can go and check that out. And I just chose this simple plain watch to go with the look, and that's it. No necklace, nothing. This is the entire look. It is very chic and polished, but it looks stunning.
Hope you find what you've been looking for. Trust me, I don't wanna feel no more.
That's it for the video, guys. I really hope that you enjoy it, and let me know how am I looking in this full attire in the comment section below, and let me know if you are going to try this look, like the makeup, the outfit, as well as the jewelry. So if you end up recreating this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and use my hashtag FamJamWithPooja so that I can stalk you guys and I can repost all of your posts. And let me know how you are liking Diwali 2020 so far. I would be coming out with exciting videos every single day, so stay tuned with me and let me know how you like this particular video in the comment section below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification to get notified every time I come out with a new video. You can always follow me on Instagram as I'm totally active there. And till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay positive. I will see you guys tomorrow.